Jonah Jo. I'm Jonah Jo, Indonesian living in Barcelona, Spain. Today, I have one box from online shop Douglas.s. Yeah, it's like online shop of makeup, perfume, and mostly about beauty. So let's unbox together what my shopping last week. Yeah, I think last week. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up if you like this video. Also, you can leave your comment in the below. Let's open this. I opened already, and let's see what's inside. Here we have plastic. Yeah, this is good because this plastic is protect my things. Okay, first thing what I bought. What is this? Look at this. I got collagen yo drink. It's like from Ultimate Skin Aesthetic. I think it's like a bonus, but wow, it's nice. Let's open this first. Look at this. It's like a drink. Can you see this? See? Yeah, it's like collagen drink. Wow. I hope I can be younger after I drink one bottle. Impossible. Okay, first is bonus from Douglas. And let's see my things. Here I obsessed from Morphe. Yeah, it's like this is brush for makeup. Yeah, in this box I forgot to tell all of inside this box is about Morphe, because Morphe make a discount. Yeah, and the discount is, I think it's big, 20% until 30%. What do you think? It's big, right? This is brushes for makeup. Yeah, I got 12 brushes, and I'm gonna show you in the next video what's the function of these brushes. Second, I have Morphe Complexion Pro Face Palette. Yeah, let's see what's this. What is this? I mean, cuidado is mean take care. Yeah, it's like face palette, and let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, this is palette for I almost say coloretes. Coloretes is like blush on, then have highlighter. Also, see, it's highlighter, contour, bronzer, brightener. Yeah, in this palette there are 2 blush here and this, and then 2 highlighter here and this, 1 brightener, only 1, and 3 bronzer. Wow, I can live without bronzer. Everything about Morphe today. What is this? This is from Kylie Jenner. It's like coconut body lotion. Okay, what next? What is this? Here I have eyelid primer. This is like base for your eyeshadow. Yeah, it's from Morphe too. The color translucent. I will open like a tube. The packaging is tube. And the third, here I have Morphe full coverage concealer, and I bought color C2.25 soft matte matte dots. Can you see? I don't think so. Okay, I will open. Okay, Look at this. Yeah, it's like another contour from another brand, but yeah, I will review in another video and let's see how it works. It's really good or not. Okay, this is the last my shop. Brush again. Yes, I bought Morphe. Okay, what Morphe? What number? Morphe 321. Okay guys, by the way, thank you for watching this video and see you next video. Bye.